welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my Monday minis. Yes, this is a new series that I just started on my channel last week. So every Monday, my goal is to post one of these videos, and I hope you guys follow my journey and enjoy these videos, and hopefully I can maybe motivate or inspire one of you to do the same, because I've been seeing these videos on a few channels that I follow, and I just love it. So it's just a fun way to save money. Okay, so let's just see how much we're going to be cash stuffing today. Here I have my singles. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to be cash stuffing $20 today. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start rolling the dice. Okay, I'm back. So before we start to do this, I need to take a drink of my water. I don't have a sparkling water today. I do have just regular water in my tumbler, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. Okay. All right, so I have my cash here. I'm just going to roll the dice, and every challenge is going to get $2, okay? So how's everyone doing? I hope everyone had a nice weekend. My weekend has been nice. Today is actually Sunday, but this is going to go up tomorrow, Monday. I'm hoping maybe to take my little doggy to the park, but I'll see, because it's kind of cold right now, so I don't know. We'll see. But let's just get started. 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. Let's try the smaller section. 1, 4. Okay, everything got some love today. 1, 6, and 2 is getting the last 2. Alrighty, so let's just go ahead and move these challenges over to the side, and we're going to get my binder out, and we're going to start coloring these challenges and seeing how much we have in them. Alright, so let me get my binder. Okay, so this one here is Renew. It was a freebie from Budget with Carly. So I'm going to go ahead and get a marker. Where is... Okay, so here's the marker that I'm going to use. So this challenge got $1, $2, $3, $4. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark off a 4. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next one is going to be Everyone's Invited to the Picnic. This is from Living Simple Studios, and this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I see here that there's a basket. Let me go ahead and just get this green one and color in this basket right here. I'm going to cash stuff this with $4. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is going to save me $65. The next one is a Sandwich Artist, and I have $2. So we're gonna go and color in this strawberry jam jar right here. So that is 2. And this challenge now has 1, 2, 3, and $4. The next one is going to be Snowball Fight. So Snowball Fight is whatever amount gets, whatever gets that, you know, play is what I will put in here. So I will put $2 here. I'll put the number 2, and then we're gonna color this in. Let me get a blue marker. Let's see, do this one. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should color in how many. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just color in how many I get, because this is going to take 24 games for this challenge to be completed. And my goal is to have these completed, you know, fairly fast. So this challenge now has $2. The next one is Tiki Bears. So let's just get out that game. This game is right here. So Tiki Bears, I have a total of 2. So let's just get a marker, and we're gonna just outline number 2 here. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. The next one and the last one is going to be mbbmusic. So let's see how much this one got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to color in 3 bubbles. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me see how many minutes this is, because I need it to be at least 8 minutes. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is episode 2 of my Monday minis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below, and leave me a coffee emoji. That way I know you guys are at this point. And if you're not already subscribed, do please consider subscribing. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night when you're watching this, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.